Hi April, let me give you the lowdown on how to set up a parent list. So right now I'm going to be assuming that you are working off of the Outlook app rather than the web-based version of it. It should look like what you see right here. You have your new email, you're up at home and so on, and you have a place called Address Book. So assuming that you're in that spot, you're in good shape. If you're not, then we'll figure out another way. But I'm going to come up here to Address Book and click on that. First thing I'm going to do to make a group is to click on File and then go to New Entry. Under New Entry, I'm going to create a new contact group. So under Contact Group, click OK. It's asking you what do you want your contact group to be. I'm going to just do Bennett IS, for example. From here, once I have that in, I can come up to Add Members. And I can choose who I want to be in it. So if it's a PSD account, then it's nice and easy. I can just do from address book, and I can look up you, for example, and add you to that, or whomever else I want. So I'll just actually go ahead and make this while I'm thinking about it here. There's Natasha. Oops, got to be careful you're not adding the wrong people down there. So Natasha, and of course, see, I did it again. So just be careful you're getting only the right people on here. So I've got the three of you. At this point, I could just save it and be done. But you are probably going to be adding people who are not on that. So under Add Members, if you have the people set up, if you have the parents set up as contacts, you can actually just click there, find whoever it is you're looking for, click on them. I'll just pretend here. I'll add Becky. You can see it appears down there. So now Becky Topol would be a part of this. If I don't want her on there anymore, which I do not, I can click on her and click Remove Member. If you don't have them in your contacts already, we can create a new contact. So this will be fake name. And we'll make that at Hotmail, because that's an old one that people don't use much anymore. You could add this person to your contacts if you like. I'm not going to in this case. If you do this, it'll move you through another screen that you have to put in some other information, but I'm just going to take it off for right now. Click OK, and there we go. We have all of the people that we need. I'm going to save and close the group. I can close out that now. And then to send an email, I can just click on the new email, just like usual. And if I start up with Ben IS, you'll see that was kind of fast, sorry. Let me slow that down a little bit. I'm going to start typing the name of the contact group. BEN, and you can see that I have several of them up here already, but BENIS, which is what I named it before, brings it up like so. I can expand it just so I can see who I'm sending to, so you can see all the people that I was sending to. But you may want a blind CC. Now I already have mine on here, but you will probably see yours, oops, sorry about that, looking like this when you first bring it up. In order to add the BCC on here, we're going to come over to Options and then select BCC. That stands for Blind Carbon Copy. Now if I type in BENIS and click Enter, now all of these people, if I were to send these, would not be able to see each other's information. Oftentimes when I do a blind carbon copy of something like that, I will also put in my information up at the top, but that is not strictly necessary for you to do that. So between contact groups and your blind CC, you should be able to set that up the way that you want. Just be aware, again, it is up here under Options. You can turn that on or off so that the next time it comes on or stays off. That's up to you. All right, if you have more trouble, let me know.